Hey everyone, it's Wednesday morning, January 29th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, after Monday's brutal sell-off, the stock market staged a solid rebound yesterday with tech stocks leading the charge. The Nasdaq jumped over 2%, clawing back some of Monday's more than 3% loss. The Standard & Poor's 500 rose nearly 0.9%, while the Dow Jones added about 0.3%. The star of the day? Nvidia. The stock soared nearly 9%, recovering some ground after a massive $589 billion market cap loss the day before. Nvidia's gains helped tech stocks log their biggest two-day turnaround in over 2 years, but the market hasn't forgotten Monday's drama. The buzz around China's DeepSeek and its potentially cheaper AI model is still raising questions about big tech's ability to meet high earnings expectations. Speaking of earnings, all eyes are on the big names reporting this week. Apple, Tesla, Meta, and Microsoft are all on deck. Meanwhile, President Trump kept markets guessing with his tough talk on tariffs. He's hinting at universal tariffs that could be much larger than the 2.5% his Treasury Secretary is reportedly planning. This is adding a layer of uncertainty as we approach the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision today. Now, the Fed is widely expected to leave rates unchanged, especially after recent solid economic data. But investors are watching closely to see how they factor in the potential impact of Trump's policies. Finally, the dollar gained strength yesterday after Trump's renewed tariff threats revived trade war fears. This comes just days after his standoff with Colombia, so global trade tensions are definitely something to keep an eye on. That's your quick recap of yesterday's markets. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Cheerio from Mannheim at Germany's largest fund congress.